Hello everybody, second video today. Now while I was out shopping, I went to Walter Smith's the Butcher's and I got this. Oh yes, steak pie, proper steak pie. But I never only got a steak pie, I got minced beef and onion. I think that's what it said it was. I think it was anyway. I'll find out when I eat it. Look at that. Now the prices. I'll have to get the receipt because I forgot. The pie was £2.59p. Well, it looks delicious, doesn't it, to be fair. And the pasty was £2.29. I mean, £2.29. I mean, what's against us now? £2? Something like that. And that's a proper pucker one, look at that. I don't mean pucker the brand, I mean pucker nice, you know. Lovely. And there it is, Walter Smith's. And everyone's got a Walter Smith's in the town, ain't they? Well, they should have anyway. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cook them. And that's going to have the steak pie. And I'm going to have the pasty. What I'm going to do with these beef dripping chips. They were from Aldi. £1.19p. Lovely. Lovely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get them in the oven. I don't know what the instructions say. I suppose they're cooked and just need reheating and cooking, don't they? I'm going to stick them both in the oven. And then we'll have a taste testing and see what it tastes like. I'm expecting this to be quite a good one, to be fair to you. So I'll get them in the oven now. Right, I've just warmed the air fryer up. Take that out a second. I'm going to get me beef dripping chips. I'm going to cut them open. Look at the size of them. Look at the size of them things. They're huge. Absolutely huge. Won't be many of them. I mean, you don't get many anyway, but you know, you're not going to need loads of them, are you? A massive, ain't they? Look. Skin's on as well. I'm going to stick this out some one spray on. And I'm going to stick a bit of salt on. Then they're going in the air fryer. Lovely. Give them a mix up. Gorgeous, man, them. Look at them. They're massive, ain't they? Oh, yes. I'm in the air fryer. There they are. And I'm going to cook them. Off. There we go. And I'll bring you back when it's all done. I've just stopped the air fryer a minute. I'm just going to show you this. 750 grams. The old bag. And there's the calories. I keep getting told off for not showing the calories. So there's the calories, because I keep forgetting, because I am old. And there's the calories and there's all the stuff. So if you want to have a look at that, pause or whatever you're doing. So. There's the ingredients. Beef dripping. Only 6% beef dripping though. But there you go. So I'm going to get it back on. The air fryer back on now. And I'll bring you back when it's all done. Right, there we go. All done. Look at them chips, there's Nat's steak pie. Looks absolutely gorgeous, that does. What was it, £2.59p? And there's mine. So I'm going to cook the beef, I'm going to cut the beef and onion pasty up first. I'm not going to mess with Nat's dinner because it's hers.
I don't want to show in half. A little bit.
Can I cut it in half, yeah?
I can cut it in half.
There's the beef and onion pasty. That was, what was that? What did I say that was? £2.29. It looks stunning. Can I cut it in half, Bab?
Yeah, cut it in half.
Yeah? I don't want to mess with your dinner.
No, just cut it in half, mate.
These are Nat's then. There we go. Full of steak, not like that one the other day. Look at that. Stunning. As I say, I'm going to give that hers. She can give us a review while she's off camera, while she's eating the dinner. And I'll give you a review of mine while I'm here. Chip. That's stunning.
That's really nice.
What is the steak?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Lovely.
There you go, steak.
It's really nice. And it's full.
It's full to the brim, ain't it? Yeah.
Pasty's lovely as well.
That is bang on. Absolutely bang on.
They're lovely.
That's brilliant. It's superb. Wow. Anyway, as I say, Walter Smith's, you know, £2.29 I think I said that was. And that was £2.59 I think I said. Well worth the money. Absolutely well worth the money from the butchers. You'd be surprised. But so I'm going to eat it. And by the way, Anna's got herself a channel now. She's only just started. She's just learning. I'll leave a link in the description. It's all about household essentials. Budget household essentials, supermarket stuff. Might be worth having a check. I'll leave a link in the description. You know, washing up liquid, soaps, washing powder, which one's the best, all the cheap versions. I'll leave a link anyway. I'm going to have a look at it, see what you think. Say she's only learning, so be kind. She's a bit nervous. But anyway, till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.